You can sell your own online course without a significant following and earn a 5-figure income monthly. And no, this is not an empty promise. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to achieve this. Firstly, there are many excellent coaches, experts, and individuals who want to share their message with others, but have no interest or time for social media. I understand that not everyone enjoys creating free content and being constantly present on social media. While I believe it's important to have some organic reach and show a bit of presence on social media, you can still sell your online course without a substantial following and make a substantial income. Let me explain how this works. Here's what you need: a specific online course, preferably one that solves a painful problem or helps people achieve their #1 goal. This is crucial because if your course is too general, it won't sell well. A well-made webinar in which you sell your course. A sales page and a short email sequence. Once you have these, you can run paid advertisements, ads. With ads, you can be immediately profitable and sell your online course even if you have little or no following. Moreover, if your ads perform well, you'll also build a large email list and can sell even more in the back end. In essence, you can quickly sell your online course with ads, even without a large following, and make good money. The nice side effect is that you'll also build an email list and gain more social media reach. However, a crucial point to understand is that, besides ads, you can also earn good money with a small following. Whether you want to sell only through ads or leverage your following a bit, there are 3 extremely important things. Have a very specific online course. Vague courses don't sell well. Create a highly converting webinar for automated sales. Know what ads to run, because if you don't, you'll likely just burn money. Until next time.